my channel. So today I'm going to be making some barbecue chicken tostadas, and I am going to be simplifying this recipe just a little bit. I mean, it's already pretty simple as is, but you know. As always, I will leave the original link that I got this recipe from down below. And let's get right into it. Alright, this recipe is going to be super easy. All you're going to need is some tostada shells, some shredded cheese. You can use pretty much anything really. The recipe calls for Swiss or this Colby Monterey Jack cheese. And some barbecue sauce. I like the sweet baby Ray's the best. The recipe calls for cooked chicken and then to add barbecue sauce to that chicken, but I'm just going to go ahead and use this chicken, and it's already shredded for me, so it is perfect. Pretty much exactly what the recipe calls for, just already done for me. So even better. Okay, and I think the recipe calls for 8 tostada shells. Yes. So, okay, let's see if that will fit in here. If not, we'll just do what we can. Gotta work with what you got. Oh my god, the first one's already broken. Lovely. Alright, so I've got my 8. Look at that, beautiful. Let me see. Oh, so beautiful. And then, oh my god, my camera battery went from like an hour to 3 minutes, so... What to do? I'm gonna take my time with this because I already have something in the oven right now, and I have to wait like 15 minutes still, so what you gonna do? So the next instructions say to pretty much just put the chicken on the tostadas and top it with cheese, and then to bake for 6 to 8 minutes, and then remove from oven and drizzle with the remaining half a cup barbecue sauce. And it says put green onions too if you desire, like optional. And I bought some a few days ago and they're already bad, so love that. It's great. But it's alright. I'm upset. I just realized I didn't record the whole thing. I thought I was recording. So I put the chicken on, obviously. 2 cups was like the perfect amount though, so yeah, highly recommend using this. This is just Lloyd's seasoned shredded chicken and original barbecue sauce. Well, I'm a little upset, but that's okay. Let's continue. So with the cheese on, I'm using this great value Colby Monterey Jack. It says to use 2 cups, and this bag is exactly 2 cups, so I'm gonna use the whole damn thing. What's your guys' favorite cheese? Comment below. Mine's probably this Colby Monterey Jack right now anyway. tostadas are done. They look amazing. So good. It smells so good. So excited to try it. I'm going to try it. Highly recommend. I will leave the link to the original recipe down below if you guys want to check that out. If you enjoy watching the video, please give it a big thumbs up from me. I would very, very much appreciate it. And if you like it, also send it to your friends and your parents and anyone you love. Please. And also please subscribe if you like this and want to see more content like this. If you have any ideas or anything that you want me to cook or attempt to cook, leave a comment down below and I will try to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you all, and I hope that you learned something from this video or figure out what to cook for tonight. So I'll be posting videos every Thursday and Sunday. On Thursdays I'll be posting like a snack or like an appetizer or dessert or something a little, I don't know, quicker, smaller, easier. Although this was very, very easy, so my recipes will get a little harder, but I thought this would be a good starter recipe. And then on Sundays I will be uploading like a main entree dinner video. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, share. I love you guys, thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!